Hello kids, welcome to Teacher Ken's class. Tonight we are going to learn the letter E and letter E. So if we are going to combine these letters, the sound is long E. Long E. Let's begin your vocabulary. So we have here E, E, B. E, E, B. Tree. Tree. Also, we have here sleep. Sleep. Okay, we also have here two. Feet. Feet. This one is what we call jeep. Jeep. And this one is seat. Seat. And for your structure, teacher will say, what is it? And you will say, it's a. So, what is it? It's a bee. It's a bee. What about this one? What is it? It's a jeep. It's a jeep. This one, what is it? It's a sleep. It's a sleep. What is it? It's a tree. It's a tree. Okay, one more. What is it? What is it? It's a seat. It's a seat. And that is the end of your lesson today. Bye, kids.